स्टूडेंट, होपफुली आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम 40 जनरल नॉलेज के टॉप MCQs जो बार बार पास्ट पेपर में रिपीट हो रहे हैं वो क्वेश्चन आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है। इस वीडियो को आपने कंप्लीट वॉच करना है और इसका कोई भी पार्ट आपने मिस नहीं करना। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है जनरल नॉलेज के, ये बार बार हर पेपर में रिपीट हो रहे हैं। इन क्वेश्चन को आपने ज़रूर रीड करना है। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश है, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ में बेल आइकन को दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन ऑल कर लें ताकि इस तरह की तमाम तरह अपडेट्स आप तक बर वक्त पहुँच रहे। वीडियो को आपने अपने फ्रेंड के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना है ताकि उनकी भी हेल्प हो सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड? लार्जेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड, द पैसिफिक ओशन। Which country has the largest population? China. Question number 3. What is the longest river in the world? The Nile River. Question number 4. Which country has the largest area? Russia. Question number 5. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 6. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? Paris, France. Question number 7. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer, Mars. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Answer, Albert Einstein. Question number 9. What is the smallest country in the world? Answer, Vatican City. Question number 10. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer, Japan. Question number 11. What is the currency of Japan? Answer, yen. Question number 12. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Answer, William Shakespeare. Question number 13. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Answer, Africa. Question number 14. What is the capital of Australia? Answer, Canberra. Question number 15. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Answer, Neil Armstrong. Question number 16. What is the largest mammal in the world? Answer, the blue whale. Question number 17. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? Answer, China. Question number 18. What is the national language of Brazil? Answer, Portuguese. Question number 19. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Answer, New York City, USA. Question number 20. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer, Leonardo da Vinci. Next, question number 21. What is the longest wall in the world? Answer, the Great Wall of China. Question number 22. Where is the Taj Mahal located? Answer, Agra, India. Question number 23. Which ocean is the Bermuda Triangle located in? Answer, the Atlantic Ocean. Question number 24. What is the national sport of Canada? Answer, lacrosse and ice hockey. Question number 25. Who discovered penicillin? Answer, Alexander Fleming. Question number 26. What is the capital of Italy? Answer, Rome. Question number 27. Which country is Mount Everest located in? Answer, Nepal. Question number 28. What is the highest mountain in the world? Answer, Mount Everest. Question number 29. Which country is known as for the maple leaf? Answer, Canada. 30. Question number 30. What is the smallest continent by area? Answer, Australia. Question number 31. Who was the first president of United States? Answer, George Washington. Question number 32. What is the official language of Egypt? Answer, Arabic. Question number 33. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? Answer, Pisa, Italy. Question number 34. Who wrote the Odyssey? Answer, Homer. Question number 35. What is the capital of South Korea? Answer, Seoul. 36. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer, the lion. Question number 37. What is the primary ingredient in sushi? Answer rice. Question number 38. Who known as the Iron Lady? Answer Margaret Thatcher. Question number 39. What is the main language spoken in Argentina? Answer Spanish. Question number 40. Which country is the Statue of Liberty located in? Answer United States, New York City. ये जनरल नॉलेज के टॉप MCQs थे जो हर पेपर में बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं। इन क्वेश्चन को हमने आपके साथ डिस्कस कर दिया। ये क्वेश्चन तैयारी के वाले से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इन क्वेश्चन को जरूर रीड करना। और चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ में बेल आइकन को दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन ऑल कर लें ताकि इस तरह के तमाम अपडेट्स आप तक बर वक्त पहुँच रहे। और वीडियो को आपने लाइक ज़रूर करना है। शुक्रिया।